What's the meaning of cold-hearted? Cold-hearted. Cold-hearted.
Cold-hearted. Cold-hearted. Cold-hearted refers to someone who lacks sympathy or emotional warmth towards others. It describes a person who is indifferent to the feelings of others and is often seen as callous and uncaring. A cold-hearted individual may act with disregard for others' well-being and may show no remorse for their actions. This personality trait can result in strained relationships and a lack of social connection. It is important to note that being cold-hearted does not necessarily mean a person is inherently bad, but rather that they struggle with emotional empathy and may need support to improve their social interactions.